So in my last video, I talked about what's the Web 2.0 tools I've learned and how it applied to my teaching course. So in this video, what I intend to do is to discuss about how those social learning technology are related to those social learning theories. So you can see that this is my folder of readings, and it's actually quite big. And on the first page there, I have the reference list of all the readings. You can see that it's an extensive list of readings involved in this social learning technology course. So I've spent time in reading that. And to start with the discussion, I actually looking at the concepts of visitors and residents, and I consider myself as a visitor in this digital information environment, in the sense that I don't like to have permanent presence on the internet, and I only use the internet for a specific purpose. I tend to log off once I finish my task. So I'm looking at those theories from the point of view of the visitor perspective. So I'm first looking at the Web 2.0 tools. It's the blogs. So I talk about what's the advantages of blogs and things like that. And I think that the use of blogging fit in the ideas of the visitor's perspective, in the sense that I think my student would be more passive in learning, and by using blog, I think they can actually reflect on what they've learned from the course. Then I start talking about the living curriculum. It's one of the hot topics around, and we are supposed to apply this living curriculum framework by 2012. And I remember in one of the workshops they mentioned about the living curriculum, and we have to include embedded assessment into our course. And one of the ideas is that it emphasizes on the ongoing formative feedback. And I think Twitter, the use of Twitter, can be quite useful in providing formative feedback to students. It's quick, and it can provide timely, constructive feedback to students. Also, I think the other thing, the use of Twitter can fit in the ideas of living curriculum by that it actually would involve complex conversation among students, and it's not only online, not only in the classroom settings, but also outside the classroom. So those are how the Web 2.0 tools or the technologies are related to these theories of teaching.